co-founder and president of Halal Expo Canada. I'm very pleased that we are now celebrating our 5th year anniversary. This show will continue to grow with your support, and we look forward to make it even a bigger show for North America and beyond. And we're looking at also Philippines to make it a bigger show as well. And I thank everybody for joining us today. The show has been filling up. As you've seen, it's been going amazing.
We are offering all the good conference sessions and cooking demo from international chef to the local chef, and we have lots of exhibitors that if you want to come and visit, and you can talk to them and do business with everyone.